So in this video, we're gonna describe how to use a new feature in Instagram Reels, which is called Dual. So you can discover it just by tapping on the camera in the bottom left sidebar. And what it does, it just enables two cameras here. So then it's like an Instagram copy of Be Real. So you can just go here and then you see that the photos taken by this dual feature, they look like a Be Real. So you take a real photo and then use your front camera and the back camera simultaneously. Record content and your reaction at the same time. You can record using your phone's front and back camera simultaneously to share another perspective using the dual feature in Instagram camera. So that's about that. And a lot of people are telling that actually this dual feature is actually a copy of Be Real, but it misses the point of Be Real. So you can just go and refer to this TechCrunch article.